All right, so today's question comes from Jay, and Jay wants to know how can he improve his confidence when the thoughts in his head are always negative about basketball. So Jay, I'm assuming you're in middle school and you are trying to work on your confidence. Confidence is extremely important, and thank you for reaching out. So what happens is our brain gets trained on messages, and the more that you say things to yourself, the more it gets kind of ingrained in your head. So what's probably happening here, Jane, is that there's almost like if you play some music on the radio, right? And let's say that music plays over and over again, then you're going to start to learn the lyrics and you're going to start to kind of, get into it. And next thing you know every single word of that in and out, right? Confidence is the same way in a positive and negative way. So there's probably some things that you've been saying to yourself over and over about basketball, saying maybe like, oh, I'm not a good player. I wish I was like this player. I wish I was like that player. No problem. It happens all the time, especially at the middle school level. What you have to do to get over it is you have to start training your brain the opposite. You're in a fight. And when I say fight, not a physical fight, but you're in a fight to train your brain the opposite of what you're thinking right now. It takes work. It's not easy. It takes practice. But through a few simple techniques, you're going to slowly start to change that narrative. The first thing you need to know is, what do you want to replace it with? So you're having a hard time getting these negative thoughts that are coming around basketball. What is the story you want to tell yourself? Like, let's say that you say that you're not a good shooter and you can't get that out of your head. Or, the story that you should be saying is, I'm a great shooter. I am learning how to shoot better and better every day. I'm working on my game. And so whenever you hear that negative thought, replace it immediately, but you got to know what to replace it with now. The other thing you can do is write down what you want, right? I am a great shooter. Write that down 10 times a day. Writing your goals and writing what you want your mind to think. Powerful, powerful technique. This is stuff that most adults don't know. Try those two techniques, do it for some time, and I promise you that stuff that you're saying will start to slowly change. As soon as you hear that negative thought, stop. I am a great player. I am working on my game. I am a great shooter. Continue to do that, and your mind will slowly start to erase those negative thoughts and replace them with the positive ones. All right. Thanks for sending in your question. Bye.